up, YouTube? Gonna bring you a new video today. It's gonna be the hunt for urban jumps, because as you can see, I'm in my field and the construction guys decided to like plow all my jumps. As you can see there, that one. You had one right here that they scraped off and took the whole face off there. I don't know if they got a complaint or something, or saw that we were just out here one day, but and my couple of tabletops here, they totally took this one out, like completely out. That was the landing or the takeoff. Just completely gone. My corner jump that was like right here, all gone. This one gone. I mean, I could maybe still make something out of this, but that would be sketchy. Have to thread that right into this. But yeah, so now that my track's kind of broke, figured I'd make a video on just the hunt for some actual urban jumping. So going to the park and finding some grasslands or some gullies or something like that that we can get some air out of. So I'll take my son with me and we'll get some footage of some of these jumps out there that I think could have potential. And then maybe in the springtime, if this place is still around, I'll build up another set of track jumps or something. But you know what, I think I got this one. I think I can thread this landing right over there. I mean, it's kind of big and now chewed up, but let's see what we got. No problem, no problem. That was fun. Yeah, yeah. All right, so one of the urban jumps areas that me and my son found was this local park that's close by that has some nice rolling hills. So our first section is this nice hill here, and no one ever uses this. I mean, there's some frisbee golf, as you can see at the basket over there, and I always make sure to ask people or wait for people to move and check the surroundings before we do anything here. But you know, it's usually pretty dead, especially when we're doing it. If it's crowded, we just move along to different spots. So as you can see here, this setup here is kind of nice. I mean, we got like a decent landing. The takeoff is pretty steep, so you get a decent amount of air here. However, I think that what would be ideal is building a little kicker jump that you could put toward the bottom of this hill, send it a bit before the hill, and then have a better landing, or even coming up this way and landing down into it. So here's some clips showing us hitting this jump right here. The second jump that we have in this area, and as you can see, that's where that first one was, is this other hill here. And it's a little bit more mellow of a jump. We just come through here and take off. And I mean, again, the problem with this one is the same. You know, you have a takeoff and then landing, and you just basically jump to flat, because there's not, I mean, if you got any speed, you're just not going to get any kind of a jump unless you're landing on flat. So again, I think a kicker coming this direction down toward the bottom, kicking you up and then landing you down into this transition, that would be fun. So I'll show you some of those clips. All right, well, here's a jump I just kind of plotted out, and we haven't hit it yet. In fact, I don't know if it'll be on this video, let's just go ahead and say, if it's not on this video, if I get 50 likes on this video, I'm gonna hit this jump. So you can see this is the first one I showed. The second one is over there. This third one that I have potential for is if I started over on this direction here and cut across and hit this. This is a big lip. That's gonna be good 25-30 foot down into this transition. I mean, that's a lot of speed. A lot of speed to carry that entire length from there down into that transition. So that's got to be 20 to 25 feet, I would imagine. But that's a lot of speed to carry that, and that's a sketchy kind of takeoff, but I think it's doable. It'll be fun. Kind of a low, not too high, but if you land down there, that'd be pretty smooth. All right, so that's it for this section. The park, really, I had some other plans to maybe, like, if I had a kicker jump, I could set up in this parking lot and then jump down into this transition here, or pretty much anywhere in this area down into that other hill. That'd be a lot of fun. But let's check out this other ditch area that has a small jump. Also, if you're new to my channel, or if you've seen my videos before and you're not a subscriber, hey, I'm only like 8 or 9 away from reaching 1,000. So if you don't subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would really help out the channel, help me out. Drop a like. It would be cool to reach 1,000. I appreciate everybody's support and watching the videos. So yeah, let's see if we can get to 1,000. All right, so our other spot is this little kind of just a drainage ditch with a path along the side of it. But here you can see we have a little gap, little path gap here. The takeoff is kind of crappy, and I just don't have the balls enough to like send this full speed to land down to that transition. I think we're getting about halfway into that grass, but I think I just need to man up and really hit that as fast as I can go. Maybe get down into that transition. But here's some of the clips we got for this one.